When was the last time I did a W.A.M.T video? 2 years. Jeez Louise on cheese. Crazy how it's been 2 years and I still haven't found a better name for this series. But I got something to talk about today. If you are one of those people, and you know if you are, that coughs into their hand instead of their elbow, I hope you wake up with a crick in your neck. Why are you coughing into the thing that you use daily to interact with things? I thought it was a universal rule that people knew to cough into their elbows, but no, it's not. Apparently it's not. You know how many teachers I've had that have coughed into their hands and then the next minute they hand out an assignment? Got me over here sanitizing my test before I can take it. Now I look like the weird one. Another thing too, if you're sick, just stay home or wear a mask. Don't come to the same event that I'm coming to and get me sick. You know what? Just because I love y'all, here's what we're gonna do. Teaching moment with Levs. What I need you to do, if you feel like germs are about to come at your mouth hole, take your arm, right? Move it a smooth 90-degree angle. Stay with me. And then make your mouth and the inside of your elbow intimate. Not here, not here, not here, here. Because if we're in the same area and I get sick because of you,
stop hiding. You hiding forever. Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky, when I catch you.
And for all you people who just cough into the air without a hand or elbow, don't let me catch you lacking in these streets. Anyways, comment W.A.M.T down below if you want me to do more of these. And if I see enough, I promise I will do this more frequently. Because 2 years is kind of crazy. I didn't know it's been 2 years since I did this.